Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a white pesto pasta. All right, first thing we want to do is get some, about a half a cup of walnuts that are crushed up, and you want to put them over about a medium heat and let them toast up for a couple of minutes. Then you want to add roughly about a fourth of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and again, let these sit for about another minute. And now it's about time that we add 4 ounces of ricotta cheese. Specifically whole milk ricotta. I don't like the part skim stuff. And you just want to give this a quick stir. Trust me, by the time this is over, all this will come together. And this is a really, really quick dish, so it's perfect for like a weeknight if you don't have a lot of time. Then you want to add some salt and pepper to this. Go a little heavy on the pepper. Trust me, you'll need it. Then give it a stir around. And by the way, you can have your pasta cooking right now, or at least you should have the pot of water boiling. And then you want to add the zest of 1 lemon. Add 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. And roughly about 2 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese. And then, of course, give this a stir around. And I might have missed it, but grab a clove of garlic, mince it up, and put that in there as well. And right now your pasta definitely should be cooking, and then just crank the heat to low, and we'll wait till our pasta is done. Before you drain the pasta, make sure you take a safe container and get at least 1 cup of pasta water. Trust me, you'll need it. Okay, remember that pasta water I was talking about? Well, this is where it comes in. I got about a cup of it, and I added about a half a cup. Now, if you want the sauce a little thinner, add a little more water. If you want the sauce a little thicker, add a little bit less, but I found that about a half a cup gave me the consistency I was looking for. All right, let's get ready to make this. Okie dokie. While my camera dicks around and autofocuses, add that sauce to the bottom of a great big serving bowl, giving it one more mix around. Then add 1 pound of spaghetti noodles that have been cooked al dente. Again, you can, and spaghetti was just what I chose. You could have easily added fettuccine, linguine, bucatini. In fact, I somewhat regret not using bucatini. But, yeah, and then basically grab a pair of tongs and toss this until everything is nice and evenly coated. And this recipe is vegetarian compliant. It's not vegan compliant because... Then you want to put it in a bowl for serving. And the next steps are optional, but I really think they add a nice little bit of flavor. You want to grab that Parmesan wedge and give the pasta a nice little dusting. And then grab the pepper grinder and give it a nice little dusting of pepper. And that's it. That's white pesto pasta. Done.